Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere on mobile. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pop this into our Google search and hit the search button. Keywords everywhere mobile. So the problem is a lot of people have been asking how can they use the keyword everywhere extension on their mobile phone? How can they discover keywords on their phone instead of a PC? Now, the good news is that you can use the keyword everywhere on your mobile phone. Now, the beautiful thing and the reason why you'll be able to use it is because there are certain browsers that can allow the Chrome extension to be installed on them. Okay, so now the Chrome browser by default might not allow you to do that, but one of the search browsers that can do that is the Yandex browser. Okay, is a Yandex browser. So what we're gonna do right now is to switch over to our phone, but you can also do that on your system and search for the Yandex browser. Okay, so we're gonna switch over to our phone and download the Yandex browser from the Play Store. So this is the Google Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, you go ahead and install the Yandex browser. Okay, so while we switch to our phone, we're going to pause it. So now I'm on my mobile phone and I'm going to go ahead and go to the Play Store here. Then I'm going to search for the Yandex browser. Okay, so this is the Yandex browser here. So I'm going to go ahead and install the browser. Oh, quite some size, 84 MB. Okay, so while we wait for the browser to be installed, I'm going to give you a heads up. So when the browser is installed, the browser has the capability of installing Chrome extensions on them. Any Chrome extensions can go right in there. So when I'm going to go to the Chrome store from the Yandex browser and search for keywords everywhere, that will now give us the ability to install the keywords everywhere extension on the Yandex browser. Then from there, we configure it at the API key, then voila, the keyword will start showing on the browser on Google while we search for keywords. The statistics and every other information will be presented to us. So that way it becomes easier for us to have keywords everywhere mobile. Okay, so it's almost done installing right now. So we just have to be patient a bit while the browser it's being installed. Okay, so we're waiting. Come up. So for those that were asking about keywords everywhere mobile, I believe that this video is going to solve your problem, and I think it's an exciting one. Okay, so the browser has finished installing, so we go ahead with pop-up and we say get started, and now we're here. Okay, so we click as incognito mode. Looking for the extension part, so where we're going to install the extension. Okay, so extension for extension developers, extension catalog. Okay, so these are different extensions that have been you can go ahead and install, Pocket, Evernote, and all that. So we want to search for keywords everywhere. Okay, so this is it on Chromium, on the Chrome Web Store rather. So we go ahead and click add to Chrome, and it's checking. So we click add extension, so it's downloading. Oh, voila, so you see the extension has been added. Okay, so now if we go back to our extension side, we'll be able to see it among the different extensions that have been added. So under extensions here, you can see, so this is it, keywords everywhere. Okay, okay, so now all we have to do now is to add the API key so that we can start seeing statistics. Okay, so but before we do that, let's proceed to Google. Let's go to google.com. So let's search for something like short crash course. So now if you can see, it's just bare. There's no statistics. We're not seeing any data and all that. Okay, so now let's try and activate our extension by putting the API key. Okay, so we click on all settings. So now there's a place for us to insert our API key now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab an API key for my keywords everywhere extension and pop it in here. Then we see them in action on our mobile phone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Okay, it's a long string, so I just have to type it. I don't want to. $399. Then the next one there is DF7. 683C. Okay, 72. Okay, so go ahead and validate. So you say the API key is valid, so that has been done. Okay, so now we go back to our Google browser again and refresh. Okay, so as you can see, we're able to see the keywords and the statistics right here on our mobile phone. Okay,